to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a testing out video. So I'm going to be testing out the new Maybelline Superstay Activewear 30 hour foundation. So I picked up the shade 30 Sand Sable, which is this one, and yeah, I'm really intrigued to see how this works. So as you saw in the previous clips, I have done my skincare, so I'm going to go in and apply this and see what it's like. So I'm just going to use a little flat brush like this and just blend it in. So this is a full coverage foundation up to 30 hours wear, which is quite a long time, and it's supposed to be like smudge resistant as well, so it shouldn't transfer onto clothes, which if that is true then that is a lifesaver, because all my clothes end up with foundation on them. I'm just kind of doing small layers to start, just to see what it's like, see what it's looking like. So that's just a one thin layer, and that's quite a natural coverage. So I'm going to go in with another layer just to kind of build it up a little bit, so you can kind of see what it's like for maybe an evening look. This was $10.99 I think, from Boots, which isn't that expensive, but it's more on the expensive for the like Boots drugstore kind of price. I mean, it does blend out well and it's a nice colour. I'm going to go in with a sponge just to kind of blend all the little lines out. So this is after 2 layers. So I wouldn't say it's that full coverage, because you can kind of still see my freckles through, which I don't mind, but I think maybe if you were somebody who likes a bit more full coverage, I'd maybe put more on, but I'm somebody who I don't really like having too much foundation on, because it kind of, I don't like the feel of it on my skin. But I'm gonna put all the rest of my makeup on and see how it goes with other products, and yeah, I'll come back when I've done that. So I'm back, I've done my makeup. Just need to put some brow gel in. So things that I picked up when I was doing the makeup was the products were really hard to apply on top. I haven't got any powder on, so this is what it looks like with no powder, which is quite like mattifying. I'm going to do a transfer test. So I've got this headband. There's quite a few hairs on that. So that's what it looks like before. And then so I mean a little bit, but obviously because there's powder on top, but it doesn't look like it's kind of stained. Rubbed off, which is quite good. But yeah, it was really hard to apply product over the top. I kind of don't know if it looks kind of patchy over here, but I think it looks nice on the skin. It's kind of weird around my nose. It kind of looks like I have loads of blackheads, which is a bit gross, but other than that, it's a nice foundation. I wouldn't say it's any different to a normal one that I've tested recently, but yeah, I guess I mean, it doesn't feel like loads is coming off on my hands, which is good. And I mean, nothing came off my shirt then, but I don't know. So yeah, I wouldn't say it's worth running out and getting your money going out and buying it. But if you are somebody who wears black a lot, or if you're somebody who does your foundation makeup before putting your clothes on, I guess it's good for that. Yeah, it's very mattifying, so if you have dry skin, I don't know if it would be the one for you, but I have quite oily skin and it was really quite a challenge to blend things into it. So yeah, I guess I'd give it a 7 out of 10. My 3 points to bring it down are it's quite drying, hard to blend out, and I don't know, just 7. So yeah. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again on Friday with another video. Thanks for watching.